scrub. It's a powder scrub mixed with rose water. Now this gives you a perfect even tone for the skin. This removes your patches. If a client has got patches on the face, that is a skin tan because of sun or because of pollution, this scrub removes the tan. We have mixed in rose water. It removes the impurities also. It works as a detoxifying. It removes the toxins from the skin. I would advise you to give a steam while doing this scrub, because she's got an oily skin. So for oily skin we need to give steam while doing scrub. We are using a steam which is an ozone steamer. It's very good. Previously people used to boil the water and take steam. Now the new techniques have been come, so new technique have been used. We use a ozone steamer which gives you a very good glow for the skin. Normal skin steam shouldn't be given, dry also shouldn't be given, but for oily skin you have to give steam. That is for 10 minutes. Because oily skin needs steam to remove all the blackheads and whiteheads. Without steam we are not supposed to remove the blackheads, because the blackheads and whiteheads should be softened before removing. Steam softens the blackhead which is blackhead and whitehead, and the pores gets open when we give steam. I have finished her scrub. You can see the difference before and after. Her skin tone is become even. The patches have become less. It won't just disappear, but then if you have a proper treatment, the treatment is to be done every 15 days. Now we are taking a skin polishing cream which will polish her skin, will give more glow. Now I'm going to show a step which will minimize your laugh lines. This is the part where you always get wrinkles after age of 30. This step is very useful to minimize your laugh lines. Start with the last finger, then your ring finger, middle, index, thumb. Then comes your forehead. This gives you a relaxing massage, just with all full palm, with the eyebrows. Take it on top, just stretch the forehead. One more relaxing massage what I will do for her is behind the ear. With the index finger we have to give a very good massage, starting from here. We can see the difference in her skin, that is, there is glow. The skin has become light, the tone has become one shade light. Now we are going to use a massage cream. We'll give a little more relaxing massage for her skin. Last step is this face pack. It's a gel based. Should be kept for more than 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes on the face. Can be applied at the upper lid, eyelid, because it's a gel based. It's a diamond shine face pack. Her pack has been dried. You can see the gel has been dried completely, and it is coming out as it's drying and coming out as a flake. The pack has been dried, so now we remove the pack with a wet sponge. Our facial has been done, diamond facial. You can see the difference in our skin. The skin has become more soft, more shiny. There is lot of glow on her skin. The patches which she has been minimized. The facial is complete. We have to complete our facial with the last step, that is we have to apply a sunscreen lotion.
Beauty tip: always protect your skin from harmful UV rays. There are many facials which the beauty experts advise you according to your skin tone. It is advisable to contact your beautician and get your treatment done. Any facial once in a month is necessary for a beautiful and glowing skin. In wellness segment, I'm back with Zumba classes and moves. I've been receiving a lot of phone calls asking for different instructors and to highlight more on Zumba. So here are some more Zumba classes. Instructor Rahul has it all for you. If you have any queries and want to know more about Zumba classes, please write in to me.
Vamos
that time of the year when we try to put more and extra weight. This is usually triggers an outpouring of resolutions to get back in shape in time for spring. But one of the most popular and effective fitness classes is the Latin, and that is Zumba. Any form of lively dancing is aerobics intensive, but for fun and fitness, absolutely nothing beats Zumba. A lot of people go to Zumba programs who don't even need to lose weight just because they are fun and for social occasions. And with this, I come to an end of this episode. Stay tuned to Fashionista to know more in fashion. And so, as I always say, stay tuned to Fashionista for that beautiful body. Yeah, if you have any queries or suggestions, please write into me at www.prudentmedia.in or SMS me on GOIM, that is GOEMFB on 59898. Till then, take care and mwah!